Thank you so much for joining us here tonight.
Salamat for having me.
Siyempre po, of course, the biggest conversation revolves around paano ba yung pinagdaanan ng inyong selection committee? How did the process go about in terms of naming the next step?
Well, first, let me thank the PBA on behalf of all of us, for the honor and privilege of being part of the selection committee. Ngayon, yung tanong mo, agad-agad, tatlong meeting kami. Yung first meeting namin, agad-agad ang question ano ba yung task given to us, which is to select 10 more to complete the 50 greatest in PBA. So, niliwanag muna namin yon among ourselves, and it was aptly articulated by the most seasoned, if I may use that term, sa amin, si Coach Dante. Yung pinipili natin, yung nag-display ng exceptional basketball skills sa PBA playing career nila. Yung among others, yung may impact sa liga, sa PBA, sa team. So in other words, hindi yung dahil magaling ang nilaro sa college o magaling sa PBA, playing career sa PBA. Yun ang tinitimbang natin. So yun ang unang-una. And once na nakaintindihan kami doon, kaya yung sinasabi ni Com Willie kanina, na inadapt ng original selection committee for the first 25, matik yung MVP. Kasi kung ang yung playing skill sa PBA, siguradong yung MVP ninyo, dapat lamang. Di ba? So, yun ang nangyari. So, immediately, dun sa 10 naming isa-select, 2 kagad dun nag-MVP. So, 8 na lang talaga ang pagpipilian ng committee. So, doon din sa first meeting na yon, agad-agad, matutuwa siguro kayo, wisdom ng second youngest siya, si MVP Alan Kaidik, ang nagsabi, ba't hindi tayo mag-submit ng kanya-kanyang listahan independently of each other? Wala tayong pinag-uusapan. Gumawa tayo ng 8 natin, bawat isa sa... By the way, 10 kami sa committee, chairman ako, non-voting. Siyam ang voting para add number. Kung kailangan i-divide yung house, walang time. So agad-agad, gumawa sila independently ng kanya-kanyang listahan. And we said we will break and we will convene again after 3 weeks para talagang mapag-aralan ng bawat isa yung kanya-kanyang listahan.
So everyone was able to put out their list.
Correct.
Tapos pagtugma-tugmain, di ba? For you to be able to come up with the unanimous name. So